Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Hello, everyone. How's everybody doing today? I hope that you had a successful trading day. Mine wasn't so successful, but we got to keep it moving. Okay. I found this little, I remember this little website from Diamond Dave and the teachers and stuff like that. And I thought I'd share for you. We can do this one instead of CNBC because it's a little bit more, has a little bit more pizzazz or whatever. And it tells us at a glance what we kind of want to know, and then we'll get to our kind of dashboard. So you can see that the Dow was kind of flat, 0.02%, NASDAQ 0.18, and S&P 0.05%. So sort of flattish, not that much movement. Um, and you can kind of see how it went throughout the day here. It was going up. And then at the end of the day, it kind of went down. In kind of similar fashion here. And then here are some tickers that are interesting, that they did some crazy moves. I don't know how these tickers and these tickers maybe, um, but they moved a lot, 159%. These must be pharmaceuticals. And then we had the losers here, NCI, JCSE. Um, and then here also a little glimpse of maybe some of the top stocks that we should take a look at. Microsoft had an excellent day, as well as Apple, Oracle, and our favorito, NVDA. Amazon didn't do that bad. We have to keep an eye on Tesla. It has earnings. So hope you enjoy this page, and I hope that maybe we'll continue to use it. There's some major news, I guess. GM, man, 9.9%, 9.94% up. They had earnings today, so we can take a look at that. And like I said before here, we have Microsoft. Google seems to be advancing, and NVDA. We always need to keep an eye on that. Okay, so now let's look at our quotes and see what we have in stock. Oh, all right. So Rivian, lose it. I think I'm going to get rid of these because I don't really trade them and I don't really care about them anymore. But Rivian had a great day, I guess, 4.19%. You can just see that it was a fabulous long all the way. Any dip buying, including at 12:45, would have been fabuloso. And yeah, and I guess Lucid was a sympathy play as well. You can see it was a lot of barcoding, but the trend was still up. Vana, uh, excellent day for Carvana, 197.35. Uh, yeah, this is great that I got out of this. Look at it's 200%, it's at $200 now. So if we go back in time, the last time that this was $200, um, it was here. So sorry, here. So it could continue to go back. It could continue to get up to 300. And then this is where you really want to short it, guys, because this thing, I don't think it's still making money. You can see here, it's still not making money. Um, and there you have it. Piton as well. We looked at that yesterday. We'll keep an eye on that. So here goes Softy. It looked like it did a little breakout today from this top here. So it's going to continue to march up. I can tell you guys. I believe I told you that before this was a good buying zone. I'm in the camp that I think this is going to continue to go up, and maybe get to this rejection area and also break out. So good if you listened to me and got it. And there you have it. Had an excellent day for Microsoft. Our favorito, um, Walmart, I think this was upgraded. Somebody told me it was upgraded this morning. I forget who. I think it was Miss Green. And basically, what you want to do is anytime there's a dip or some dramatic down or gap, just buy it, put it in your back pocket, and keep it there because it's a good stock. We don't really like to trade it because it doesn't move that much. It's not exciting. However, it's one of those things that you just want to have because it's going to make you money and you don't really have to do anything or think. You just say, hey, I got Walmart, and then check it. Every 3 months, you check it. You can maybe take some money money once you have a decent amount and buy it again. That's what I would recommend to you guys. Uh, banks, Bank of America, and we'll look at EBC, had a good day, a 1.29% to the upside. Um, I guess, yeah, from this little hill downhill here, now it broke up. We want to see if it gets to this point and then if it breaks out from there too. I think it will. I think if anything, it's going to get there for the election, and then maybe all hell will break loose. It will either go up or go down. But this is the ultimate goal up here. There's a double top. So just, but just be careful, especially with volatility for the election. Let's look at EBC. It looked like it was, for the most part, a good day going. I would say more flat than anything. It was not really that exciting. Didn't go crazy up, but I would say it was more long than a short. Meta, I actually got into Meta, got a contract going long. I think it's gonna continue to go up from this buying dip opportunity. Um, and yeah, we'll see what happens. But to me, this, if you got it at the beginning of the day and you just let it ride, you would have done very well also buying it. I didn't get into it as a stock, I got it as a contract, but actually today would have been a great day to get it. Uh, any dip would have been also amazing. Um, Google, we saw that in the screen here in Finviz, it did really good, 0.61%. So let's see. Oh, actually, it says here 0.72%. Over there is 0.61. So I don't know who's right, but I think this one's right. But yeah, it was let's see, Google. I had mentioned this too before. I think this was a good buying opportunity for Google. I mentioned it here. If you got it here, it would have been good, and that's what it's starting to do. These tech stocks are starting to pick up. And let's look at Apple while I think of tech stocks, and also we'll look at NVIDIA. So Apple, the apple of my eye, Manzana, fabulous long, long all the way. No really stopping this train track to the upside. It was, especially if you got it at the pre-market down here, it would have been a great short if you shorted it in the pre-market going down. But other than that, it just picked back up and it started to get back to the level that it was. So there you have it. It's all long for you. And you can even see it's still chugging along. Let's look at NVDA. This one I think had a better day yesterday in terms of going long. Today was, it seemed like very volatile today. Let's do a comparison. Yeah, yesterday was definitely just, it helped. You could have gone both ways up and down, but it was more of a long. Also today, but it was very volatile at the beginning, and then it kind of went down and picking back up. So yes, the trend is still kind of more towards the upside. Had buying opportunities there today. You can see the little mini candle here was just a little flat day, but it was just also a buying opportunity, kind of telling you, hey, if you didn't get it to yesterday, you can still get it. Because this thing broke all-time highs, I believe. So that's why. Okay, let's look at Zoni, and then we'll switch to the losers and then see if there's anything that will catch our eyes in terms of notes. Amazon has been going up steadily. It has been having some of these crazy wicks, but overall the trend has been going up. Obviously, this would have been great to get over here and over here. Still trending up. Look, we're gonna see if it gets to this 200 level, and that's what it's looking like as far as trend is telling me. But let's see if it breaks out from here too. And again, just be careful, the elections and all that stuff. Boeing, let's see how it's going. I had earnings yesterday, and it looks like it had, it did kind of a crazy wick up. I'm not convinced yet. But maybe, it has been it didn't get to the level. I'll still wait. I'll just still wait because this has been an unstable company. and one day is going to get there. So we'll just wait. And you can see both red days anyway. People are not that confident yet in Bowen. Let's look at Nikete. I heard this morning they had a 12-year contract with the NBA that they're going to get this contract to provide the shoes and gear for the NBA. And you can see its downward trend. However, this could be a buying opportunity. And I think it is. It might be a buying opportunity. Obviously, we'll see if it is still here is where we like it. It has been going up and down, up and down. I'll continue to observe it for a little bit. Maybe it could get back down here to this 75 area because it has been having a couple of down days. But watch out for this area too. So we'll see. Just wanted to throw out that there about the news about Nikete. Dollar Tree, let's look at that. Someone likes to, oh, there it is. The level is back to that level. It touched it again. I don't see anything wrong with buying this at this point. But if it breaks down below this level, just wait a second. So yeah, that's good. Dollar Tree, we'll continue to observe it for that, but keep a close eye. Put this on the notes for potential watch, purchase, a good deal. Okay, losers, McDonald's. Oh my gosh, you got it at the top, I guess. 9% down. Look at this. What just happened? Do they have earnings? What happened right now? Was there some McDonald's news? Is Trump selling more fries? Something crazy happened because now it's 10% going down. I guess the powers that be decided.
Can you check on a daily?
It happened now after in the aftermarket. Look. Let me look. Let me see. Oh, maybe it's a sympathy play for Starbucks. Okay, let's see. Starbucks share price after preliminary. McDonald's. Okay, right here. I found the news. McDonald's shares fall after CDC says E. coli outbreak linked to quarter pounders. Aye, that's why it's going down like cray. Is this E. coli news. It might still go down for a couple more days. 10%. Let's see if there's a bounce back. It could continue to go down the next couple of days. Here's Starbucks, same deal. Yeah, that's what happened. E. coli news. Okay. Let's see. Let's see Starbucks as well. A sympathy play for the restaurants, but this one looks like it's picking up more than McDonald's because obviously it affected McDonald's directly. Let's continue. Open is at 179, folks. So if you got it at that top that we have mentioned it, shorting it down to 179. Intel, very cheap at the moment, 22.35. Is in this buying zone that someone had mentioned. They like this stock as a long-term play. If you like it, then make sure you get a few shares to watch. Macy's. Don't like this level. I think it's expensive. We will get it when it's like down at 11 or something. Let's see. Freshly Pet, we won't talk about that. Coin. They were talking that the cryptocurrencies were at certain levels. They've been going kind of cray up. And I think this is kind of falling in line with what is happening. So you can see here was the perfect buy. And now it's been going up and up. Look at these last 5 to 7 days. It's just been going crazy. It's already surpassed this level. Maybe the next level is around here. So that's maybe this dip is a good buying opportunity if you want to take a look at that area. Target. 149.19. It's been going kind of little wavy, down, up, down, up, down. Maybe a good buying opportunity. It did decent in earnings August 21st. Let's see how it does coming up. Okay, so for earnings, folks, in the next couple of days, the what? Oh, so that was today. Is today the 23rd? Oh, so tomorrow is Boeing's earnings. Okay, hold on. So tomorrow, yes, sorry. Tomorrow is Boeing's earnings, so that's something to look at. Let's see how low will it go or how high will it go. Tesla is the big one in the aftermarket. Also, American Airlines, I got out of this because I knew earnings was coming up. We got Taco Bell, also your favorito, EBC. This might do well. And McDonald's, maybe this will do a tank fest because last time it didn't do a tank fest. And maybe this is just a premonition of what's going to be happening with the E. coli and earnings. AMD also and Google up in 7 days. Then we got the big bangers, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, and Apple 9 days away. So let's keep that in the back of our minds because those are important earnings. They are the big kahunas of the stock mercado. Anyway, folks, if there's anything else that you'd like to look at, let me know. Please leave a comment. Any tickers that you're interested, so maybe we can add it in the list. Share, like, subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your evening. And I hope you have a successful training day tomorrow. And don't forget about Tesla. Okay, peace out.
Dollar Tree is at the buy level, and McDonald's is dealing with an E. coli scare, so potential short.
That's right. Oh, and there was Dick's yesterday and Peton, for those of you who were paying attention yesterday. Have a great one, guys. Peace out.